Good morning, everybody. Today is day 26 of morning pages. It's my first day with the new notebook. College ruled. A little bit nervous about it. It's a little extra smaller lines. It's kind of, I'm feeling the extra lines, like a little bit of nerves around it all, but we'll see what happens here. The pen is still going. This pen is just not running out of ink. That's going on. And yesterday I was writing all day. I got a freelance job working at an alternative newspaper in Reno, Nevada. I've been doing it only for 2 months now, but I had a conversation about possibly writing a humor piece. The editor and I had this conversation, and he's like, well, if it is, it's got to be Reno based. It can't be any of this Jerry Seinfeld stuff. You know, what's the deal with so and so? He wanted to be specifically connected to the town of Reno. So I had to really think about what to do with it. And I mean, I've been here since 2017, and I couldn't really think of anything to do or to write about that's Reno based. But I spent probably a week or two thinking about it, and then I came up with an idea. I started writing it, and then before I went and finalized it and really spent hours and hours on it, I contacted him and said, hey, I started writing this thing. If you're are you interested in reading it? And he got back to me yesterday, and he said yes. So yesterday I was working on it for probably about 4 hours or so. So I reworked things, I changed things, I tried to get to the bottom of what I was doing exactly. It's less than 1,000 words, so I'm used to writing short form humor. So I printed it out yesterday, double-sided, and went out and had a dinner by myself, and I got a drink, and I went through and I was editing it myself, and I'm going to make the changes after this, and then I'll send it to him, and we'll see what happens. He's been in the newspapers the editor has been working in newspapers for 40 years, so he was telling me how tough it is to get a humor piece that works. But I'm hoping that he finds my thing worthy of being published. Either way, if he doesn't, I think I think what I wrote is really cool in a little condensed format in a humor category. And if he publishes it, cool, and if not, well, I did what I do. That's what I do. I churn out humor articles, I think, more and more. That's I could just be a factory for that short form humor pieces. So I don't know. I'll keep you all posted though, so you'll be in on the drama or the saga. So today is the 15th of July, and I will brand new notebook, first page, and here we go. And I'm going to try to write better handwriting so I could actually read it. Alrighty. Page 1, page 2, page 3. College ruled is no joke. Holy shit. The pen's still going. The ink is it's not nearly as bright as I'd like. It's definitely on its way out, but I'm going to do it till the end. Wow, like I said, college ruled is no joke. That took me almost 30 minutes, so that added on at least 7 to 8 minutes of time to versus wide ruled to college ruled. I don't know if there's any like math people out there who are looking for the numbers. That's the number I came up with. I feel like it's longer, and also, I mean, on both ends. Like, college feels longer across and down, definitely. But the first page actually felt kind of like a struggle a little bit, but then once I got the second and third, I was just in it. Essentially just wrote about my night last night and just kind of rehashed stuff and did that. So I guess that's what it is. I mean, every day I come to these pages, I don't really know what to expect. So that's what happened. So I don't want to have a whole thing. And the last post I had was like 10 minutes. I want to just get this kind of done and over with. I'm going to go back and edit that humor piece and then submit it. I'm going to edit the humor piece and then submit it to the editor and then see what happens. So hopefully within the next 4 days. So I have 4 days left after today, and then the videos are done. I don't have time to do them anymore. They take time like everything does, and 30 days, that's what I did. I set out to do this for 30 days, and I'm on day 26, so we're coming to the end, folks. But hopefully by that end I have good news, and I mean, that'd be a pretty cool way to end this, to have a published humor piece in a newspaper. That'd be kind of a fun, good story, so that's what I'm rooting for. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you're doing the morning pages, or if you've been doing them, let me know in the comments if you're interested in sharing your experience, what they've been teaching you, how you feel before and after doing them, I guess. I don't know. I definitely feel like I've gained confidence in a lot of different things. Even looking back at the videos, I think I learned a lot. Even just talking and putting myself out there into the world, and having favorable reactions. I mean, I'm not getting thousands of likes or anything, but no one's like, "Hey, you suck. Stop posting videos." But I'm sure some people are thinking that. And yeah, if they don't like them, just leave. I mean, this is just all experiments here. So I will see you all later.